Here we have a York unit running, and this is a Stellar series. Is this hard to tell if this is a heat pump or a straight cool unit. Here's the data panel. The model number is H4DB060S25A. Serial number is serial number is WKLM 032430. Don't see any day manufacturing on here, so can't tell you if it is what year it's from. I don't exactly know the model or serial number, since right here also says York on the sides of it. But yeah, a York air conditioning unit that's currently running. Over and out.